Welcome to IT Learning Commons. We are excited to have you on board as student consultants of our ITLC team. The purpose of the ITLC Student Consultant Orientation video is to explain student consultant duties, lab policies and procedures, and our mission to improve customer service. In the ITLC, everyone is part of the IT community where we collaborate with one another, communicate our understanding of technology in a caring environment. And now let's take a look at Student Lab Consultant instructional procedures and duties. ACL duties. Lab opening. Place lab folder and personal items at consultant desk. Wake up the PCs and check the printers. General tasks. A student is always assigned at the front desk and should not leave the location without notifying a supervisor. The ACL lab only admits registered students with disabilities. After you check the ID, complete the usage log. Do a head count every hour and complete the paper form. Push chairs in every hour. Lab closing. Shut down all PCs and leave computer devices neat. Place trash and recycle bins outside the door. Return the ACL folder to the office and lock the ACL door. GRC duties. Lab opening. Unlock GRC door and place yellow GRC folder on consultant desk. Turn on the lights and wake up or turn on PCs. Keep the door closed and unlocked until lab closing. General tasks. A student is always assigned at the front desk and should not leave the location without notifying a supervisor. Check all GRC guest IDs as only graduate students and staff are admitted in the lab. Do a head count every hour and complete the paper form. Check printer and refill the paper tray if needed. Push chairs in and tidy lab areas every hour. If a graduate student makes a presentation poster request, have them fill in a form which is located in the GRC front desk drawer. Lab closing. Shut down all PCs and leave computer devices neat. Return the GRC folder to the office and lock the GRC door. Red lab duties. Lab opening. Grab green and red folders as the red lab consultant takes care of the red lab as well as Mac A and C and green lab. Post the Mac A, C and green lab class schedules. Keep all lab doors unlocked and opened until lab closing. Check projector, notify a supervisor if it is not working. Wake up or turn on PCs and iMacs. General tasks. A student is always assigned at the front desk and should not leave the location without notifying a supervisor. Do a head count every hour in all labs and complete the paper forms. Tidy up Mac A, C, green, and red lab during class intersession. Check printers every hour in Mac A, C, and red labs and refill the paper tray if needed. Troubleshooting. Particularly, students in the Red Lab will approach the consultant for customer service related issues. They need help with software operations and printing assistance. Wait, what if you can't resolve the problems by yourself? Report to the shift supervisor for assistance. Lab closing. 1 hour before lab closing, it's required that you shut down all iMacs and PCs in classroom. Wipe down the whiteboards and shut down the projectors. Place trash and recycle bins outside the lab door and remove class schedules. Push chairs in and tidy up student work locations. Make an announcement, lab is closing in 15 minutes. Keep PCs on but close all applications in the Red Lab. Return the folders to the office, place lab statistic sheets on the top shelf, lab folders in the rack, and lock the Red Lab door. Supervisor's office duties. The office consultant takes care of the purple, gold, blue, and white lab, and picks up the office desk phone and answers questions. Lab opening. Grab purple and blue folders. Post lab schedules. Open purple and gold labs. Blue and white labs are located on the 3rd floor. Don't forget to prepare the lab signs for class. Check printer and refill the paper tray if needed. Check projectors. General tasks. Answer phone questions regarding printing problems, classroom scheduling, lab operations, and student consultant inquiries. Walk-in questions. Assist students and faculty with problem solving. Lab closing. Wipe down whiteboards. Push in chairs, keep PCs on, but close all applications in classroom labs. Shut down the projectors. Place lab statistic sheets in the top shelf and return lab folders to the rack. Printer check duties. Check printer status before beginning a print check tour to see if there are any problems that need resolving while out on a routine check. You can track the printer status on your cell phone during the routine check. Complete printer check every 2 hours. Complete a printer release monitor check by signing in using your UMB username and password. Wake up printer, check that it's ready for printing and that the paper trays are full. Complete a print configuration. Fill in the printer check form after you have completed a check of each location. Place a please do not use sign on a print release station monitor or printer when a location is out of service. Report the problem to a supervisor when the printer routine check is done. Paper jam troubleshooting. When there is a paper jam, read the prompt on the printer screen to clear the paper. The jam is cleared by opening either the left, center, or right printer doors. Mobile duties. Mobile classes to be deployed 15 minutes before each class reservation. Let the staff count the number of devices in the cart. Fill out the log form to confirm the mobile cart is ready for deployment. Deploy the cart to the classroom. Upon arrival in the classroom, make sure all devices are connected to the UMB Wi-Fi. Remain in classroom until faculty arrive. Have faculty acknowledge the mobile cart device setup and class size. Place mobile devices on class desktops. Return to the classroom 10 minutes before class end to retrieve the mobile cart. Place the devices on cart shelf according to the shelf and device number labels. Close and secure mobile cart doors. Return the mobile cart to Media Lab. Verify the number of devices with Media Lab consultant. We are happy to have all of you on board and wish you best of luck in the upcoming semester.